Hello and welcome to this month's March 2019 unboxing of the Quirky crate for this month. That came out a little awkward, but whatever. I'm here with CW, my daughter, who is 10, and you met her last month, and she was a huge hit, and so I've had her back. And she may take over my channel one day.
No, I'm gonna cut it.
Hey, okay.
Yes.
By the way, this is the 90s edition.
90s.
And I'm telling you, that's why I'm wearing this Dream Big t-shirt, because it reminds me of like 1989, 1990, 1991. And yes, I lived during that time period, and no, I wasn't a baby.
She was born
sometime where I could have been around and remember 1989 to 1992. It was a good time. I really liked the 90s. That was like the best decade to live in. I had my first job. I had my high school years.
The Goonies came out. And the Addams Family.
No. Goonies came out in the 80s.
The Addams Family. The
Addams Family came out in the 90s. That's right. So anyhow, Beverly Hills 90210. R.I.P. to Luke Perry. Amazing. He was on 90210, and he was everybody's like dreamboat. Now, I didn't have a crush on Luke Perry, but I appreciated him for the character he played. He did a really good job.
And also,
I think I had a group. I think I had a crush on
the guy who played
I don't remember which one I had a crush on. What?
R.I.P. the guy who played Gomez in
yeah. Oh yeah. He died in like, gosh, I think before you were born.
Yeah.
He's a good actor.
He was like 30 years old. Or 40
No, he was closer to 40 or 50 when he made that movie. He was also in Romero. He played Romero in the movie about Bishop Romero.
I thought he would be playing like someone
El Salvador.
I feel like he would have been playing someone in the Princess
She doesn't know anything about that, but she'll
Indigo,
learn about it later.
Indigo guy.
Yes. Inigo. Inigo.
I know, he looked exactly like him.
But you just said Indigo.
I mean, Inigo.
The Princess Inigo.
Inigo looked exactly like Gomez.
Oh, but yeah, they're both Spanish. I think Romero. I think Romero. The guy who played Gomez and Romero. Wait, what's his name?
Inigo.
You know, you should prep me to let me know that I need to have my phone here so I can look it up. I mean, I do have my phone.
I have my iPod.
It's okay. We'll look it up later. Anyway, so R.I.P. to those lovely men. All right. Ooh, it says, "Hey, girl." Yeah.
But it's not a girl. It's girls.
Girls. Hey, girls. No, I can be a girl. Anyway, I prefer lady. Hey, girl. Yes, treat yourself. Okay.
Mommy,
doesn't
I'm
it sound
like a sassy person?
I am a sassy person.
I'm not a sassy person.
I need you guys to subscribe to Quirky Crate. All right, you ready? Are you ready? We have. I've not actually opened it, so I don't even know what's in here. Ooh, she sees cherries. She says. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, there are cherries. Oh, she's cute. Poppy Almond. Poppy is a Leeds-based illustrator and designer who graduated from Leeds Arts University with a degree in printed textiles and surface pattern design. If I could go back, I would totally be a printed textiles person, because so you know all the beautiful clothing I wear with all the pretty prints on them, like all my Bowdoin clothing and all the clothing that I make from that pretty fabric. Like when we went to Liberty of London, remember that? And I bought the Liberty fabric.
Yeah.
And you helped me pick out the one with the pineapples on it? Yeah, okay.
I got the bunnies.
So that's what those people do.
And also,
okay.
It's
so that's Poppy Almond. Poppy is the person who helped design something in this, because that's what the deal is. So we have Poppy Almond 90 stickers pack. Oh, yes. Oh, is that it? It does have, okay. Well, here.
There's
let's start with this one. This is the sticker sheet by Poppy Almond. It's adorable.
There's yin and yang.
Wait, don't look in the thing, because then they can't focus on it. If you can't see the thing, then they can't see you. Can you see the thing? The camera? Well then, here. Now can you see the camera?
Yeah.
Now can you see the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, whatever.
There's yin and yang on it.
Oh yeah, there's a yin and yang flower. Okay, so who's keeping this one?
Like half and half. I don't like hot dogs or...
She wants me to keep the bra and the hot dog.
Because I don't like hot dogs.
So she wants me to keep this one and that one.
I want the rest.
You want the rest?
Yeah.
Can I have the lollipop that says bored?
I get bored in math class.
Hey, shh. What if your teacher's watching this? She's my friend.
Well, I mean, like 2 years.
Anyway, so it says, okay, that's fine. I don't care. It says Poppy Almond 90 sticker pack, $5.75. Okay, so next we have the Trapper Keeper enamel pin. Do you want that? Wait, no, let me show it first. Don't look at the camera. Let it
be. It's a beach, duh. Of course I want it.
Okay. I carried a Trapper Keeper that looked a lot like this.
What is a Trapper Keeper?
Oh, she doesn't even know what a Trapper Keeper is. Okay, so you know how you have like your binders? It's like that's what they. But it's a binder that's like.
Oh, I saw them in your room. I mean the sewing room.
So they're just like specialty like binders that were made in the 80s and the 90s.
I saw baby pictures.
Well, no, they look different. I'll find a picture of an honest to God Trapper Keeper from the 1990s so she can see the joy that we all had in our Trapper Keepers. And I know a lot of people had the Lisa Frank ones. Well, that's fine. You can have that. It's really pretty. Okay, so next we have the 90s Babe Fashion Emergency Kit. Oh, and please tell me you'll let me.
There's
a scrunchie.
Scrunchies.
Oh, but I wanted a scrunchie.
But I want scrunchies.
That was a scrunchie.
But I want scrunchies.
Okay, we're both fighting over this. So we'll have to share.
But there's two in there.
Look, is there another scrunchie?
Aww.
No. Okay, here, wait. Let me see. You're gonna look super cute, but like, let me just tie it back.
But that's too big for your hair.
Well, now it is. Yes, that's true because I have really short hair. But see,
wow,
isn't it gorgeous? Look, do you want to put it in your hair? Why don't we put it in her hair now?
Because it's.
That's fine. She can wear it until my hair's longer, and when my hair's longer, I'm totally gonna rock this.
You're gonna be like 50.
I'm not gonna be 50 when my hair grows longer. It'll probably be like July when I'll be able to wear it. Right, here.
Well,
let's side ponytail it.
No.
Side ponytail. Why not?
I don't like ponytails. They're ugly.
Okay, whatever. Here. Okay.
I have ponytails.
Oh, you only need to do it twice. Very cute. Oh my God, you look so pretty. Wait, no, show it off.
Fancy.
Wait, how pretty that is. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. Well, so far I'm loving this box.
I want to see it.
Let's see. Okay, there's
a
choker.
Oh, I love chokers.
Oh my gosh, she's getting this one too. Yes. So you've officially made her 90s dreams come true. Little tiny butterfly clips. Can I put one in, please? Pretty, please.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Don't put the choker on now because you can't even see it. We'll wear it later. So now she's putting in the little butterfly clips.
It looks weird like this because I feel like I'm like a fashion.
Oh, look. Oh, can I at least have this one? Yeah. The two. Okay, she's giving me the little barrettes that look like this.
Yeah, you can have one.
Okay,
I don't really like.
Because I can actually do that with my hair.
They're loose.
Okay, that's fine. And ooh, they're sparkly. Oh my gosh, it matches my nails. Look. So my nails this month. And then they all.
Remember at the
look so very cool.
Remember
I love
at the revolving sushi?
Yes.
That was that lady who had the exact.
She had the same exact nail color as me.
I wonder if it was her.
All right, one more. All right, now show them the butterflies. Show them the butterflies. Every girl's 90s dreams come true right here in CW. Okay, so these are yours too. So far, this, by the way, is what I'm taking home. I mean, to my room, which we're in. But this is, these are mine. I guess I could put them in my hair. Should I put them in my hair?
Not at a studio.
Can I put them in my hair? I don't have a studio. You're right. Maybe I should get one.
I have a choker.
Wait.
My choker.
You have to tell me. Do you think it looks good? Yeah. Should I put the other one?
Well, you should flatten things.
Why?
Look at my choker.
I think I look okay. I'm looking. Okay. No, I think this is alright.
I'm so beautiful. I have like choker on.
Yeah. Look. Come in. I love her. She's sweet. Okay. So.
Who's sweeter? A lollipop.
Oh! What? Oh, she's like freaking out about this. Okay, so this is. I think she's gonna get the whole Quirky crate. This is. Stop! You're gonna. It's a '90s pen throwback, and oh my goodness, it's got yellow and green.
I love those.
Wait, so I'm gonna write on this if that's okay. That way they can see. So I'm gonna write CW. C. Oh, C.
Can I do calligraphy?
CW. In two colors, purple and green. Ooh.
Let me do calligraphy. I want to show them my talent.
CW. Okay.
I want to do calligraphy.
No. Wait, we gotta finish that. You can show them their calligraphy later.
Okay,
hold on. All right, we've got. Oh, I know what I'm keeping. Okay, because I know that berets are my thing.
I don't like berets.
I'm doing this one, and I wear berets like literally every day during the winter time.
Berets too much.
I have a black beret. I have a navy blue beret. I have a light blue beret. I have a red beret. I have a gray beret because I really like them. So this one is called the Heart Beret. Ooh, I get a little heart on my. I hope this fits my head. If it doesn't, I'll be very sad.
I don't want to wear it.
Oh my gosh, it fits.
Perfectly.
Oh wow, what do you think? Yes?
Yeah,
Cute?
but I'd rather you wear the heart on the side.
Wait, not the heart in the front?
No. It looks like it looks like you have your own heart stuck to your head.
Ooh, but what if I go and pose? Wait, okay. All right, fine. All right, I'm taking the bra off. Very cute. Oh,
Yeah.
so excited. Okay.
Yeah, very cute.
Okay, wait. Oh, here's the socks. Oh, it's by Totoro. Totoro. All Miyazaki films are the best. Okay, so here we go. So that's the socks this month. So because they don't fit her feet yet, they're mine.
Oh, remember the
Okay.
last video?
All right, I know you're gonna get this. Although you know what, I used to eat these all the time. The hubba bubba bubble, hubba bubba bubble, hubba bubba bubba, hubba bubba bubble tape, hubba bubble tape,
Hubba bubba bubble tape.
hubba bubba bubble tape.
Hubba bubba bubble tape.
Very nice. So
I'm
you
more
want this?
talented.
Why don't we share this? Can we share this, please?
But you can't even eat gum.
No, it hurts after I can't chew for longer than 30 minutes because I have TMJ, so it starts to hurt my jaw. But I could have it for a little bit. Can we share it? We can share it. Okay. Oh, what about the troll? There's a little.
Ooh, it's a butt troll.
It has a little butt.
It's a butt troll.
Wait! Don't let them. You see his little butt, and then here's his little butt.
Oh my god. Trolls are creepy. You can have it. I can't
You know
have
what?
a troll.
Okay, so I get the
They're
troll,
really creepy.
the hat, and the sock.
Okay,
Okay,
they're
wait.
really creepy.
Okay. Okay.
Is it
Oh.
It's a cassette tape. It's a cassette tape.
This is the bag this month. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's awesome.
Wait, we should get that to
It literally sounds like there's this huge ruckus in this house. And it's not just us having the party in here. There's apparently a homework party going on in the next room. And unfortunately, the homework party doesn't seem as much fun as the Mama NCW Quirky Crate party. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, can I?
Let's hold
Wait,
it.
do you think it would hold?
We're
What?
going to hold the pen.
Wait, do you think it would fit my phone? Oh, can we share this one too? We should share this one too.
No, you can have it.
You sure?
Yeah, you can. Wallets.
Yeah, see, that's the thing is I actually have a need for a bag this
She
big.
she uses her old phone case as her wallet.
That's true, and it's actually pretty pathetic. I need a better.
So I was
need
like,
a better system.
why do you-
is what
why do
she's
you
saying,
have-
and she's absolutely right.
Why do you have a pop socket on your wallet? The cashier asks, and you're like, oh.
You know. She's so mean. Why are you telling them all my secrets, girl?
It's not a secret. It's just.
Okay,
what
so then
I
does
like
that
to
mean
say.
you want the pink watch?
Yes.
There's a little watch. Okay, so this is called
It is a
Retro Watch.
Neat.
Wait, you're missing one.
Hold on, let me
Wait,
see.
you need one more.
Did you hear my cat meow? Did you hear the cat meow?
Is the cat outside?
Yeah.
You want to go get him? Okay. While I open this, she's gonna go get the cat. But don't let the boys into the party because they're annoying. I mean, I love them, but they're annoying. Go get the kitty. Do you see the kitty? Bring the kitty. Oh, we're gonna bring the kitty. We have a purebred Siberian. My husband's allergic to cats, and apparently Siberians are like hypoallergenic. So this is Boris.
The first cat sighting in this whole entire channel.
I don't think y'all knew I had a cat. His name is Boris, and he's very
I love him
sweet.
very much.
He just turned a year old
On Friday.
on Friday, March 15th.
He loves us very much, and I love him very much. I'll
He's
be
very
holding him.
snuggly. He's a good kitty. Okay, so here's the watch.
We'll talk more about him.
This is great.
I
Okay,
want
wait,
to
hold
see
on.
it.
I know. Let me show them first. And it's like Oh, it's so cool. It's definitely something I would have worn in the era of the 90s/late 80s.
There's
Totally matches my shirt. Look.
But I want it.
And it matches yours too. You don't want me to put on you?
What?
Is it 653 for real?
Wait, hold on.
I don't
Let's see.
know.
Let's see.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
I'll get my
Go get it.
cat.
She's gonna go find out if it's really 653. Because they are.
742.
Oh, 742.
You can just change it.
Probably should just change it. All right, well, we'll figure that out once we're off camera. You all have had, I'm so glad you all were here for our
Can we go through the stuff after?
unboxing.
Let's just go through the stuff after.
Right, but we're going to say bye now.
But can we go through the stuff after?
What does that mean?
No, I mean we like show them all the stuff.
We already just showed them.
No, I mean go through.
Oh, oops, okay. Kitty wants to say bye, and I think it's time we say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kitty. Bye-bye. Thank you all for joining us this month for our unboxing.
Comment down below
We
if
are
you
gonna...
like Fortnite.
Okay, no, don't comment down below if you like Fortnite. Comment down below if you like Boris the Kitty. Okay, bye everybody. Have a great month. We'll see you in April or earlier if we decide to do the bag show off.
It says Tuesday.
Which will include the awesome tape one. By the way, the back side is completely black, so if I ever need to turn it around for a more conservative environment.
It's waterproof.
Well, that's good. You can use it when you're
Cool.
swimming. All right, say bye-bye one more time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is my new...